Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you a little bit. As you can see, I've got my coat on. I've been outside. I've been on a little hike this morning, drawing in my sketchbook, and I hope to show you a little bit of that later on. But I got to thinking this morning how happy it made me when I put out the tree and the snowman video, and I got all sorts of pictures, and I think even some people posted pictures in the comment section of things that people had drawn. And I just loved that. And I thought it would be fun to start a little urban sketching and outdoor sketching, nature sketching series for kids. It'll be free, and I'll put it on here as often as I can think to do it. I'm not great with social media. I'd much rather do art with people in person. But I thought, well, I don't particularly love social media. I do love helping people experience art. And so that would make it worth it. So today I want to send you on a scavenger hunt. What I want you to do is look around your house and find a pencil. It can be any pencil at all. It doesn't matter. Yellow, it can have little chew marks from the dog. Just find a pencil. And the next thing I want you to do is find a bag. It doesn't matter what kind of bag. Anything that you haven't used and you don't really use that much would be perfect for carrying your art supplies around the house and carrying them outdoors. It could even be a Walmart sack. If you have nothing else, that'd be fine. Find an eraser. Those little ones on the tips of pencils, if you've got one there, that can be a great start. But if you can find an eraser to throw in your bag, that would be great. A little pencil sharpener, throw that in your bag, and a notebook. It can have ruled lines, college or wide. It can be blank, and that's going to be your sketchbook. It can even be an old book that you used last year in school, and there may be notes in it, but there's plenty of blank pages still. That's a perfect thing to start for a sketchbook. Throw that all in your bag, and then join me tomorrow. I'm going to take you through some, probably we'll start with just outdoor nature journaling, nature sketching, and then I'll probably throw in some urban sketching, which is my favorite thing to do outside. Bundle up. Today's a great day to just go outside and try to draw a few things that you see. So once you put your kit together, go outside and just draw a few things that you see. Draw some blades of grass. You could draw the sun in the sky, just don't look at it straight. You could draw some trees. We learned how to do that recently. I'm looking outside, I see fences. That's a fun thing to try to draw. And those are just observational drawings. No one's showing you how to do it. I'm not talking you through it. You're just drawing what you're looking at. So you could get a little bit of a head start with some observational drawings. Now, if you want to throw some extra stuff in your kit, I'll show you some things I just love. But you don't have to have them. And to do the video series, you don't have to have them. You can throw in some crayons. I just found glitter and confetti crayons at Walmart yesterday. So if parents are looking for a stocking stuffer, that could be a lot of fun. Throw in some colored pencils. Any brand is fine for elementary. The Crayola are fine. If you're getting older, though, and you're in junior high, I do like the Prismacolor much better. Throw in a pack of markers. Any kind's fine for all the ages. Crayola's good. If you're getting older and you want to put in some of those great Copic markers, those are wonderful. But for just some nature journaling and urban sketching, any kind of markers are fine. If you have thin tip, I didn't have any to throw in the video at hand, but thin tip and then the wide tip are great. Okay, so here's a stocking stuffer I'm recommending if you want to go spend money. You don't have to have these to join me for this little video series I'm going to do over the break. But I love this. Walmart's had this about maybe 6 months. At least I've only known about it maybe 6 months. And it's the Royal and Langnickel Essentials Watercolor Artist Colors Flip Kit. This is my second one. I have used this. And when you open it, I didn't mean to do an unboxing video, but here I go. I'm sort of unboxing it. I'm not really good at it. I kind of rip into things, even cereal boxes. I'll rip into them and then it goes everywhere. I'm kind of messy when it comes to opening things, but there we go. What you get inside is you get an aqua brush and you put water here. And after I had this, I could ditch the old plastic mayonnaise jar in my hiking kit, and I could just have this with a little bit of water and a brush here. with a lid. So as you squeeze the tip, the water flows through it, and you can lay in your color in your sketchbook pretty easily. And it's got a nice holder. And then all of this flips out that way. So you've got quick access to all the major colors that I use. Anyway, there's nothing missing. I haven't thought, oh, it'd be nice if I had something else. Because if I want something else, I can mix some in the mixing tray. And there's a little sponge here. And to be honest with you, I've never used the sponge, so I don't really know what people do with that. I just kind of quickly lay in the color from the mixing tray and the pans. So anyways, if you're looking to spend a little money for a stocking stuffer for your, your artist in your house, this is the one thing I would recommend. I think I paid $10 for it, something like that. Okay, so here's your challenge today. Go build a traveling bag for your art things. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Any notebook's fine. Oh, if you're looking to spend a little bit of money, again, stocking stuffer, you could get a nicer small sketchbook. I like for kids the ones that fit in your hand. I like it for me, for Pete's sake. I like the ones that kind of fit in my hand. I think this is about $5 at Hobby Lobby. They do fall apart really, really quickly, but it's always fun to have kind of that special hardback feel. If you want something that doesn't fall apart quickly, any of those leather or faux leather ones in the back aisles of Hobby Lobby are really good too. I think I use the Stratford 400 series when I'm keeping, the journal I want to keep. So pack up a nice little kit. Join me tomorrow. We'll do something in nature. Get a head start. Go outside today. It's a beautiful day. You'll just need your coat on. All right. See you soon. Bye.